Good morning, friends. Hello, hello. I have not seen you for a while, and I have not been out for a while. But today, I think today is the day. Wonderful weather, as you can see, almost clear sky. The only place where the sky is not clear is where I'm going, up there. Hopefully it will clear later on. So yeah, I have not been for a while outside, just because it was very busy in my work around Christmas. But here am I, outside again, outside in the nature. I just need to recharge a little bit. Let me see, what is this? It's some little old building or ruins from a building. But it's a lovely spot to have a wild camp here, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to Goch, and I'm around 2 kilometers away from Penny Pass. I just parked the car down in this valley, just below Penny Pass, because unfortunately the car park was full from the morning, so I had to park down and I have to walk to the starting point. And let's see where the path is going to lead us. Join me. I hope we'll have a lot of fun. There is some snow. I hope there is much more snow on the top. But yeah, I'm ready for it, and I'm looking forward to face Goch. Enjoy it, friends, enjoy it, join me. Left big trail and we are going up to Goch. We already walked around 15-20 minutes with my new friend Owen. Was it Owen? Hi. Owen, yeah? Yeah. Okay, my new friend Owen. We met each other on the beginning of Goch. We're gonna be partners for today, and we're heading to Goch. Let me attach it to my helmet because we need both hands, and I'll see you on the way up there. Hold tight because it's gonna be steep. Enjoy this hiking, climbing, however you wanna describe it. Just enjoy it.
the